Hi, my name is Mike Edina and I'm the Senior Product Specialist here at Dataton. Here at our stand in ISE 2020, we are showcasing our new range of servers. They range from everything the small Watchbox 20 with two 4K outputs, the mid-sized one, which is the Watchbox 40, has four 4K outputs with a EDID possibility, and you have the range of the Watchbox 60, which actually starts over here with a 4-output server. This is the basic configuration, two 10 gigabit ports, professional audio output, we have a SDI capture and an HDMI capture. The next step is the same server basically, but you actually also have a synchronization card so you can use it for synchronization in several servers. And the top of the line is this one, where we actually added a 8 SDI card, which can be either input or output. You can choose it freely. You might have 4 in, 4 out. And you also still have the function of HDMI, your 4K output, fully synchronized, but also you have the redundancy of dual power supply. Actually, that one is actually common for all of this professional range. We're also celebrating 20 years with our new sort of famous watch out software. Company is very old, but software is 20 years old, but we're also celebrating by releasing a new version 6.6 today. So please come and see us here at our stand in Hall 12 F100. Thank you.